Welcome to my channel, Iconic People Bio. Full name Abir El Saghir. Nickname Abir. Biography Abir El Saghir. Abir El Saghir is a Lebanese celebrity, cook and social media influencer. Abir often coordinates her outfits with the cuisines she prepares, adding unique visual element to her content. She has cooked dishes from over 100 countries, offering her audience a global culinary experience. Abir content promotes cultural appreciation and understanding, using food as medium to connect people to worldwide. El Saghir started her content creation journey from her home kitchen, and in just a couple of years, she became a global phenomenon. Her videos often feature traditional dishes from countries worldwide, incorporating local music and outfits to create specific vibe or mood. She has expressed interest in pottery, launching a cookbook or a restaurant with a relaxing atmosphere. Abir El Saghir has at least two sisters named Lebanese Yelway and Sivnei El. Age 27 years. Date of birth September 24, 1998. Birthplace Western Bekaa District, Lebanon. Professional chef, social media influencer, entrepreneur. Nationality Lebanese. Religion is Muslim. Zodiac sign is Libra. Qualification: Bachelor degree in Interior Design for Lebanese International University LIU. Weight 55 kg. Height 5 feet 7 inches. Eye color is dark brown. Body type is slim. Known for TikTok cooking videos. Hair color is dark brown. Not prefers TikTok cooking videos, YouTube channel, Abir's Kitchen, Ramadan cooking show, Abir's Kitchen. Awards: Joy Award for Favorite Female Influencer 2023, for Best Budget is 30 Under 30 2024. Social media reach: over 28 million followers on TikTok, 10 million on Instagram, 1.72 million subscribers on YouTube. Net worth estimated between $2.7 million and $3.7 million annually, with significant earning from social media platform and brand partnership. Ethnicity is white. Family: daughter of Nadia Gibra. Marital status: married. Spouse: Yusuf Farhat, married 2025. Years active: 2021 present. In Instagram, she has 18.6 million followers. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget the bell icon for more notifications.